Hi friends, this is the rate I old monk and today we are with the tband. This is made by Smartron and the box pricing is 5999. It will be available for 4999 only on Flipkart and it will coming with one strap extra as a freebie and you can add on. And going to the box, we are going to do the unboxing. Here it can check your ECG, sleep cycle, heart rate monitor, activity tracker, health score and also the smart alarm. Coming to the app, it connects with the tHealth app. It is compatible with both iOS and the Android devices, and you have to just install the tHealth app and then you can sync your smart band. So this is actually a fitness tracking band which is launched by Smartron. We are going to check inside the box what the contents are. So the boxing looks really good. The package is good. It will coming for 4999. The price is something attractive. I will not say too much high like Fitbit. And going to the box, here you can see there is a user guide where you can see how to connect. There is also a micro USB charging cable with the slot, so there is a charging adapter also with this. Let me open the polythene, and here you can see there is a charging slot. I will show you that in later. First let's take out the fitness band. The fitness band is coming with the rubberized finish. You can change it. The bands is very easily changeable and it supports that any watch band can be fixed here. Now peeling of the cover, here you can see it is still not charged, so I will put it on charge. On the meanwhile back, we will check how the leather band looks like. So the leather band will be coming for 999 and it is okay. It is not a premium finish, it is just a leather kind of touch. uh, so here we have the charging slot where charging port where we have connected with the micro USB. This is how you will connect your into the docket and then you can charge your band, fitness band. So the fitness band just attached to it magnetically, so it has a magnet and here you can see the display. So the display is quite vibrant. It is a OLED and it is not a colorful one. And you can take out the strap very easily. I will show you how to replace the strap, taking out the strap from the back from both the sides and now fixing it with the leather one, so that I will show you how the leather one looks like. And this is, you can also get some more bands. It will be, I guess, available on the Flipkart. Here the band looks like after attaching the leather band. Now we are going to check it in the app. So in the app, I will once also remind you the app name is tHealth. Once you install it from your Play Store or the App Store, here you will it will show that you have to charge it and it will ask you for the login detail. And here is how you can check the band, how you can sync it. It will show you the 4-digit code in your smart band and you have to input that 4-digit once you search your band. So this will be connected via Bluetooth. And for the battery life, it will run on 2 days if it is connected with your smartphone via Bluetooth. In idle condition, it will run around 5 to 6 days. So I haven't tested that. That will be in the review part. But right now here you can see what are the things you can do. You will also get your call and SMS notifications, and rest of the sleep tracking and everything is there. Skipping that part, what you don't have to do, you can't do underwater swimming with this. And these are the few do's and don'ts. It is written in it, and you have to put that like 3 finger distance from your wrist so that it tracks properly and will give you the accurate data of your sleep tracking and ECG, heart rate, or your step walk. So here how we will do that, we will just sync it. Once it is syncing, right now the band is syncing, so it will take out the time, the temperature and everything in that. So the cool thing I like that it also shows the weather temperature of the city where you are living. It will also sync with your Google Fit app and you can update it regularly. The firmware update is already done, and here you can see you can track the measurements and everything. Currently it hasn't synced with the device, So we have to sync it, we have to also sync the BPM and also sync the heart rate monitor. So this, what you have to do, you have to just put your finger and hold it for few seconds and it will just pop up. So the tBand looks promising. We haven't tested it, this is not a review, this is just a first impression and the installation guide, how you can install and sync with your app from mobile or iOS device, Android device or iOS device. So this is all about the device. This is @IOldMonk signing off. Please like the video, share the video. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button below for us.